Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board-certified periodontist and a gum specialist. People ask me all the time, including my patients who come to see me, they ask me, what is a gum specialist or a periodontist? Periodontists are gum specialists, as the name sounds, are specialists in treating gum diseases and also replacing teeth with dental implants. So they go to school for an additional 3 to 5 years after their dental school to become a periodontist or a gum specialist, and they become experts in saving teeth and also replacing the failing teeth with dental implants. So what do we do as periodontists? You go to your dentist and your dentist says, well, you have some gum disease, now you need to get some deep cleaning done. So they do the deep cleaning for you, and after about 3 to 6 months, and they're going to come back and say sometime, well, you got the deep cleaning done. Unfortunately, the deep cleaning you had done is not working very well for you, and to be able to help you save your teeth, you need to go see a periodontist. So here we go. So the patients are being sent to us from several dentists in the community to treat their advanced gum disease. So again, what do we do as periodontists? We do osseous surgery. We do bone grafting to help prevent bone loss. We do several gum procedures to help save the teeth. We do gum grafting. We do pinhole gum surgery. We do teeth replacement using dental implants. We do bone reconstruction. We do gum reconstruction. We do biopsies, and we do remove teeth to remove the infection from the mouth. We remove wisdom teeth. So there are multiple things as periodontists we can offer in our practice. Our goal is to be able to help you save teeth, and if we are not able to help you save teeth because you have very severe and advanced disease, then in that case we can help you replace teeth with dental implants. Next time when you are at your dentist, ask them whether you will be in good hands with a periodontist, and we are here to help.